Why is tech crucial? 4. Maintaining indigenous culture in polar regions. Imagine living in a place where the land, sea, and animals are your entire world. Every part of your life depends on understanding and respecting your environment. That's what traditional ecological knowledge, or TEK, is all about. It is the wisdom that indigenous peoples have gathered over many generations through direct contact with their surroundings. In the cold, harsh climates of the Arctic and other polar areas, this knowledge becomes even more vital. TEK includes detailed understanding of how plants, animals, weather, and landscapes all connect. For example, indigenous hunters know the signs that indicate when animals like seals or caribou are migrating. They understand how weather patterns change and how to predict storms. This knowledge helps them hunt, fish, and gather food safely and sustainably. It's not just about survival, it's about living in harmony with nature. In polar regions, communities like the Inuit, Inupiat, and Sami have relied on TEK for thousands of years. It helps them adapt to the extreme environment and the rapid changes caused by climate change. As the Arctic warms, animals move to new areas or change migration times. TEK provides observations that science might miss, helping communities respond quickly. For example, indigenous hunters can notice subtle shifts in animal behavior that indicate new migration routes or food sources. TEK also plays a big role in passing down cultural stories, language, and traditions. It keeps alive the stories about how ancestors interacted with the land and sea. These stories often contain lessons about respecting nature and maintaining balance. When elders share their knowledge with younger generations, it keeps cultural identity strong and connected to the land. Practically, TEK is used in managing wildlife like polar bears and whales. Indigenous communities work with scientists to share observations and develop policies that protect these animals. This collaboration respects indigenous rights and ensures their knowledge is valued. It also helps create conservation plans that work better because they include local insights. Without TEK, indigenous peoples in polar regions risk losing their connection to the land and their cultural roots. Their traditional ways of life depend on this knowledge. It's not just about knowing how to survive. It's about keeping their culture alive in a changing world. TEK helps them stay resilient, adapt to new challenges, and continue their unique relationship with the polar environment.